Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a wonderful website for a insurance company or financial services agency. We are going to use WordPress CMS in combination with a WordPress theme, premium WordPress theme, and the theme is Modins, and it is a dedicated WordPress theme for insurance and finance services company. And I am happy to record this video since I am including this theme. It is a new theme, in fact, not so new, but yes, it is a very good theme for the purpose it has been created, and you can target insurance and finance WordPress websites using this theme, and it has been developed by Givias. You are Power Edit author, and you can simply get the theme through the video description link just in $39. So yes, you need to watch this complete video to understand all its functionalities, the installation steps, the customization options, how you can easily launch your website using this theme. Then you can take a decision about buying this theme, or you have multiple options to choose and compare on this channel itself. So let us begin creating a demo website using Modins, and Modins offers multiple pre-made website. So you can choose any of these layouts, like this is 1, 2 and 3, 4, and I have already opened these layouts for your references. Okay, so I'm ready with this core and fresh installation of WordPress, and as always I'm using this shared hosting plan cPanel-based. You can avail all these things if you have yet not taken the domain name, hosting. So go to the WP Themes website through the link in the description and get all these things at a very nominal price. Right, so we can start the installation, and in the theme pack what I got, the installable theme file, the child theme is also included, some samples, licensing, and the guides. So okay, and in the samples what I have, the slides and the XML files for demo import, I believe. Okay, so we are going to use this modins underscore theme dot zip file for our installation purpose, which is showing just 3.3 MB in size. So it is a clear indication it is a well optimized theme. The installation is going to be simple, and the target website, like any of these, all these layouts are very fine and clear in look, and the presentation of content is really very professional. So of course it is, the theme is coming from a Power Elite author, and you are going to get a very good quality. But yes, you have to understand, and you have options. So this is not a promotional or a sponsored video. You have all the choices, and you have to take your wise decision. So choosing a perfect theme is a crucial and important part to make a successful website. And if you need any support, discussion, or guidance, you can simply start a direct chat with a mentor, WordPress mentor. Here on the iCreate program, this is all free for you. You can start a discussion, and you can get all the support related to WordPress websites here. So all the links has been given in the video description. So let us start the installation, and to install the theme, I am going to open the themes under appearance menu, add theme, upload theme, and choose the installable file, that is modis underscore theme dot zip file, and simply click on install now. You can follow the same steps. It is very simple, and you don't need any technical knowledge for doing all these things. Basic computer knowledge is enough, and you can create your website, no doubt. So theme got installed successfully within seconds, and we can go to the theme page just to check the details further. Modins is here along with the default theme, and I'm using the version 1.2.1. As on date, this is being the latest version, and for updated and authenticated version, you need to buy the theme at ThemeForest.net in all cases, and the link had been given in the description. Yes, you need to use updated and authenticated version that you can get only at ThemeForest.net. So I repeat. Okay, so now we can activate the theme, and upon activation we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins. Let us see which plugins are here. So I'll show you, I'll read the plugins. So contact form 7, as usual. Elementor is the page builder. This is very good. Events calendar for creating events on the website. MailChimp for email subscription module. Metabox and the Modins themer is just a core plugin, I believe. Redux is the framework that works very fine with the Elementor, and the slider revolution for hero image. And also, WooCommerce is here in case if you are targeting to create an e-commerce website, you can use this theme. So I have selected all these plugins, selecting install, clicking on apply to install all plugins in a single attempt. Let us see if it works. It will install all the 9 plugins. All 8, in fact, 8 are required and only one is recommended. So what I'll advise you to install all plugins because we need optimal feature at our website at very first instance. Let us even decide which plugin, which feature you are not going to use at your website. Deactivate the particular plugin and delete the plugin. So for all the features, you need to install all the plugins listed here. So all plugins are included. You don't need to buy any external plugin as of now until you are targeting a certain feature. And if you are willing to take advice, guidance on the plugin selection, again, write in the comment section of this video or join the iCreate program on the live chat. You can discuss all the things that you may need for your WordPress website. It is taking a while, but I wish to show you the time it is taking actually for my installation, my environment, I can say. So what is important to have a WordPress optimized hosting plan? And you might be thinking, what is the price for a WordPress optimized hosting plan, since you might be targeting a low budget website and you are getting a startup website. So it is really very simple. Even in $10, yes, in $10 you can get a hosting plan. So just and optimize hosting plan. Okay, so all the plugins have been installed successfully and you can see the green links, green marks, and it is a clear indication that I have installed the plugin without an error. And this time I'm going to select all again to activate all the installed plugins. Again, it is going to be happen in a single click. In case the single click installation does not works for your hosting your environment, you can install the plugins one by one just to avoid any error during the plugin installation process. But yes, it is important to install plugins without an error, and of course the theme is to be installed properly. So now the all plugins has been installed and activated successfully, and I can see some new navigations. But yes, we need to complete our demo website, and our demo website like any of these target websites. 4 options in form of demo websites, and our website is looking like this with the theme and all set of plugins. So what is next step? This is the core look of website without any demo, and the next step is obviously to bring the demo content, to import the demo content. So I can find the option on the theme settings. I can see the demo importer is here, and I'll simply follow the import demo link, and it is going to be simple again. Yes, so there is no selection. We just need to click on the import demo, and then the demo import process is begin. So spinner is showing there is a process going in the backend, but yes, you can check the media library in another tab. Don't disturb this process. So in another tab, you can check if you are getting images. It means the demo import process is going fine. And as you seen, in just few seconds, I got 18 images. And when I refresh this, it is now 29. It is going super fast. So we just need to wait here on this screen until we are getting any message. Meanwhile, the demo import process is going on. We can explore the website that we are targeting. So this can be our target website. The elements are fine. We have 4 home pages to select, and we have insurance page. And okay, so this is very professional presentation of content, no doubt. Car insurance, life insurance, home insurance, health insurance, marriage insurance. Okay. Oh, in such insurance occurs. Okay. And the fire insurance, business insurance. Okay, this is good. And the insurance page 2, there might be different layouts. Okay, this is also good. So we have 4 options in form of insurance page. Further, we have portfolio page, and the internal pages like get a quote, about us, and I can open the about us page. Speed is really very fine. So I'm checking the demo site from the developer, but yes, we will check the same in our installation. And here, okay, so it is imported. It hardly took 30 seconds when we discussed. So the import process completed, and when I can check the images screen, how many media was included, it is really 113 images in just few seconds. It was really fast, and I'm eager to refresh this page. And this is our new website. Without any doubt, we have successfully installed the theme with all set of demo content without an error, and we got all the home pages, all the internal pages, all the elements without any trouble. So I can see the permalink yet not set, so we can simply set the permalink. First of all, under setting menu you have to go in the permalink, select the post name. Initially it was on plain, and hit on the save changes. Now URL structure will be updated. Just to refresh, this is the URL structure. It is SEO friendly now. All done, all set. And now next I'm going to show you all the backend options that you can use for customizing your website very quickly, all the new things in addition to default WordPress themes. So Modins templates are here. So you can use the header templates and the footer templates, post singer templates. For editing purpose, you can directly jump to the section and you can edit the section using the Elementor page builder. And again, the Elementor is very simple and easy to use page builder that you can use. So you can go to the respective sections and start editing your content. So it is very simple. Just go to the hover on the area that you want to edit and all can be done. So these are the layouts that you can edit. Further, we have portfolios. So delete all those items that you are not going to use at your live website. Delete or just overwrite with your own content. So similarly, we have complete event module to show events, upcoming events on the website. And this is a complete module through a plugin that we installed. So we can update the venues, organizers, event categories and all. Next, I can see the WooCommerce and the products. In case if you are targeting to sell products here, you can upload the products. Take reference from the existing products. If you are not intended to sell online, so deactivate the WooCommerce and delete the related pages that is connected to WooCommerce. So it is very simple. Deactivate the plugin and delete the plugin. Right. Next, I can see what is new here, the theme settings. So the theme setting is the area that can be referred as the theme panel, and it is again very simple. So in the general options, we have page layout option, Google Map API, logo, header, default, breadcrumb titles, and overlay options. Further, we have footer options, typography, styling, page options, portfolio options, WooCommerce options, demo importer that we used, and the import export option. For editing the slider at the website, we have the slider evolution. Go to the slider, respective slider that is being used on your selected page, and you can start editing. So if you are new to slider evolution, take a backup using this duplicate option. So in case you are using the slider 1, so simply click on slider 1 and you can start editing the content and the image or the sections. So what you have to keep in mind, you have to use the same dimension of image and text that have been used in the demo. Rest things are going to be fine, and when you'll upload a new image, optimize the file size using this option before saving it. All good, and we can come back to the dashboard again, and for editing the main content of your website, you can simply use the Elementor page builder. For editing the content of page that you are targeting, select the page, open the page that you are going to edit. Click on edit with Elementor, and again you can use the Elementor editing options. That is going to be super fine and easy for you. In case if you have any question, you may write in the comment section of this video, and it is a good idea to start a live chat with a mentor here. So on the iCreate program, yes, it is free. You just need to spend $39 on the theme at ThemeForest.net, and in this $39 you need to buy, you are going to get the quality check by Envato, the future updates, 6 months support from the Gavias itself. So you are going to get a very good theme, and we are going to support in every manner in making your website live and up. So this is here again the Elementor, and you can use the navigator to jump into the respective section and just go to the area, click on the pencil icon and edit the content on the left panel. All is going to be fine, and you can launch your website without any doubt. So why you are waiting for? Just choose this theme, or you have hundreds of themes to choose and compare on this channel. and make a perfect website that like we created in this video. And for if you wish to have a specific theme that you have already selected, and if you did not found the theme overview on this channel, just write in the comment. I'll try my level best to cover that particular theme as well. In this video, we discussed the Modins, which is insurance and finance WordPress theme. In the next video, I'm coming with more. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching and keep reading. Thank you.